In this video, I will be showing how to make a curry powder flavored thick tomato soup that is so healthy, delicious and tons of energy from all those healthy fats that we have added. Let us check it out. So as it is with me usually all the time, today also I am trying something new. If it comes out well, I will post it, otherwise I will not post the video. So in goes half a cup of almonds. Hopefully they will start improving my memory, which hasn't been very good of late because I have reduced the intake of almonds. I know I am superstitious. Now I am adding only almonds at this time when processing, so that the almonds can be ground really well without the gravy stuff being inside. So we'll run it until it becomes smooth. Now because the almonds quantity is so less, I am just making it for myself for one serving. They will not become a smooth paste. That was something to be anticipated and I knew. All I wanted was to be ground well, which I think it has become. So I'll just scrape the sides to ensure that everything will mix well when I drop in the rest of the ingredients, which is really a very simple process. So what I'm gonna do is drop in this 1 teaspoon of curry powder. You could use sambar powder. I think I will use a little more, almost 2 teaspoons of sambar powder or curry powder as per your preference. And then I'll add in a pinch of salt, maybe slightly more. Okay, because I know I will like it spicy, I'm going to add lots of cayenne or red chili powder. The curry powder does consist of chili powder already, but I like it to be spicy, so I am adding a little more of chili powder. Hopefully this should make the dish spicy. And lastly, I'm going to drop in all of my tomatoes. These are about 6 of them of different sizes. I would say you can consider it as 5 medium ones. I'm not pre-cutting the tomatoes because they will be soft anyway. So I ran it for roughly 2.5 minutes or so. It has become slightly warm. This is good enough. We do not want to make it piping hot, and I do not want to risk losing any nutrients. Tasting time, exciting times as always. It's very smooth. First of all, it's warm, not hot, warm. Very creamy, certainly very creamy. Very, very creamy indeed. This is not like, running soup, flowing soup. It's rather a creamy, thick soup. Let me taste it. Very spicy and hot. The extra amount of chili that I have added, I like it because I like it hot. But for an average person, probably you would want to use a little less of chili powder. There's a lot of curry flavor to this. It's very nice. Wow. It is so nice. Before it cools down, I want to enjoy this and relish it fully. I am really liking it. I think you got to try this. What else can you get better at having a raw food where all the good nutrients of tomatoes are inside, and then the fats of almonds. It is such a healthy recipe, fulfilling both for the taste buds as well as for the body. I think you got to try this. Please try it out. Let me know how you liked it, and if you wanted to make any changes, let me know. For me, these ingredients were perfect. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day or evening, whatever is left for you. Bye bye. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell.